You love your family more than your wife. Why won't she become a devil in your life? You support your mother more than your wife. Why won't she become a devil in your life? Treat your wife well. Get this, everybody. Hear this. This is successful marriage and relationship. Hear this. Every woman, if not every woman, okay, let me say 80% of women are wife materials. 80% of them are wife materials. But hear this, hear the truth. Before you married her, what made you marry her? You married her because she pleased you. Because she what? She pleased you. You married her because you felt you could live with her. You married her because you saw things in her that complimented you. You married her because you saw that she is the helpmeet for you. You didn't marry her because she had a bad mouth. You married her, you saw even all these bad characters in her, yet you still married her. Hear this, everybody. Every woman has their best part of them, and every woman has the devilish part of them. Every woman, whether she's a pastor, whether she's a pastoress, whether she's the one in the red house, whether she's the one in the show glass, even the one in the show glass has wife material character in them. Hear this, man. Hear this, every man. Hear this. Treat your wife well, you will see the best of her. Do what? Treat your wife well, you will see the best of her. Treat your wife well, you will see the best of her. Man, you can't leave a woman out there, she's there alone. Hear this, every woman needs a shoulder to rest on. Every woman needs a shoulder to rest on. If you call yourself her husband, she needs your shoulder. She needs your shoulder. If you call yourself her husband, she needs your shoulder. If you call yourself her husband, she needs your attention. There are things a woman doesn't understand. That's why she needs you. She needs you to explain, to make her understand. Don't think men believe that women know it. And most women even think they know it. It takes a man with some levels of understanding and patience to get a good woman. Hear this. There is no woman out there that is the best. You can only find women that have understood some principles about men, or some women that their husbands have taken time over time to bring them up to standard. Treat your wife well. You can't leave her in this world all alone and you come back and you think she will not misbehave. Do what? Treat your wife well. Do what? Treat your wife well. Treat your wife well. You can't leave her. She's taking care of all the children. She will clean the house. All your own. All you think is go to work and come back, and you think she will not trouble you. She will trouble you now. She will what? She will trouble you. All those depressions and trouble, she will rain them on you because you are the next available flight. Treat your wife well. You will see the best of her if you treat her well. After all, you didn't marry a devil. When you married her, you saw the good parts of her. That's why you married her. Treat her well, you will see the more of her. Treat her well, you will see more of her. Is it that you don't have money to give her that is the issue? If you have good mouth as a man, if you are simple, if you are transparent, she will understand that you don't have money. Treat your wife well. Do what? Treat your wife well. The woman you are having at home is manifesting the devilish in her because you gave room to it as a man. You gave room to it. You love your family more than your wife. Why won't she become a devil in your life? You support your mother more than your wife. Why won't she become a devil in your life? Treat your wife well. Treat your wife well. Women smell more than men. If your wife tells you this person, I don't like the person, cut off from the person. It doesn't mean you are the man of the house. There are many things even a pastor doesn't see in a church. Talk less of in a marriage. Treat your wife well. Do what? Treat her well, and you will see the best of her. you will see the best of her. If you treat her well, you will see the best of her. You see that woman that is watching right now, that woman that you are looking at right now, that's your wife that you think she's a devil, treat her well, you will see the best of her. You must not take her to Tantalize her. You must not take her to all those fast food joints. If you have good mouth and you are transparent, you will get the best of her. After all, when you were suffering and you had good mouth, she was there for you. Now you have gotten the money, you are not arrogant. She is manifesting the devil. Treat your wife well. You see this one that you think she's talking anyhow. If you treat her well with a little patience, you will see the best of her. If you treat her well with a little patience, you will see. Hear this, let me tell you, men. It is easier for a man to transform a woman than for a woman to transform a man. Everybody get this truth. It is easier for a man to transform a woman than for a woman to transform a man. So as a man, you can change your wife. If you think this one, if you think your marriage, your wife is the devil, you can't change her. You caused it. That's why you can't change her. You caused it in some ways. Okay, even the devil itself in form of a woman can still change if you understand prayer, if you understand patience, and if you understand the right words to use. It's not everything you decide on that should work immediately. There are things that you decide on and your wife say no, let it be. Treat your wife well. God bless you.